Hey y'all, we're going to go through Edpuzzle and why it is a cool thing to use with your students. So you can sign up. It's really easy. I already have an account, so I'm going to go in and log in. So as I come into the first part, it asks you what school you work at, so I have that in. It'll show you other videos that are in your school. But a cool thing with Edpuzzle is that you can get videos from anywhere, or you can put your own in. So if I wanted to create a video, so I uploaded one. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to, work on this. So let's say that I want to So let's say I want to go in and I'm going to edit this because I want to put in some features. So I can cut it in Edpuzzle. You can actually put two videos together if you want to. You can do a voiceover if that's something that you want to do, or you can like put in a voiceover in the beginning and one at the end. But a lot of what I use Edpuzzle for are the questions that I can put in. So anytime that I am going through, and it will have you like decide where you want it. So I can put in a multiple choice question of, let's do how often do you use Google Classroom? That's what the video is about. So, lots. And we can say that they're all good. Like, you don't have to have a yes or no kind of thing. Lots, not at all. And I can save them. I can also put in feedback to show like this is something that, if you got the correct answer or incorrect answer, you can put in feedback. So I can go through and put in something at the end. So let's say I want an open-ended question at the end, and I might put, are you likely, or what was one thing that really helped you in the video? And then I can put in some feedback. So feedback would be once they click submit, then they get the feedback. So I can say, thank you for watching the video. So there's a question and I can save it. So then that's, at the end of the video, and I can put some more along there. So it kind of shows where the questions are, and I can click finish. So then once I have my video done, I can assign it. And so I can set up like an actual class, or I can connect into Google Classroom from my classes. So if I connect to Google Classroom, yes, I think, oh, there it goes. Okay, so it's connecting. Uh-oh, shoot. All right, so I'm going to cancel. I'm going to go back. There. Put in me. Allow. And now I can see them, and I want to assign it to all of you. So, okay, so then if I go back into my content, I go back over here. Now I can assign it to this classroom, and I can say that it's due. I'm going to do no due date. So you can do it whenever you want. And then here's some cool parts. So I want it to post to Google Classroom, but I do not want to allow skipping. So what skipping does, or what preventing skipping does, is it makes it so that students can't skip forward. So they have to watch the whole video in order to get credit for it. And so I can post to Google Classroom, and what that will look like is wrong one. So now, let's see here. Where did it go? So it's posted on Google Classroom. Everybody can see it. Oh, there we go. So it's here. Now I can even go in and like edit this in here if I want to attach it to a topic. So this is going to go down to digital resources. What I'm going to do in this one is I'm going to put a link to this video in here so that you can see it as a student and as a teacher all at the same time. And I can put in instructions, which I'm going to do at the end. So now it's down here. And it also posts to the stream. And it'll tell me who has turned it in and all of that. The really cool part with this is I can search content for anything. So let's just say I want to search for history. So I can choose something that I want to off of, these are Edpuzzles, which means that they're going to have actual like questions already lined up for you. So you can actually see what's there for the students to do. So that's a real cool thing. So you can take the ones that are already there, or you can create your own. If you have any questions on Edpuzzle, let me know. Thanks.